First of all, to have a healthy cucumber plant with lots of fruit, we need to choose seeds to sow, in which the sowing method is very important. Before sowing, I will soak the cucumber seeds in garlic water for about 30 minutes. We choose a nursery pot, suitable for the number of seedlings to be planted. Then add soil and melon seeds to keep moist. Leave the nursery pot in a cool place. First, we need to check the drainage hole to avoid waterlogging. To keep the humidity stable for the plants, I always choose an automatic watering system. I use a plastic bottle connected to a pipe, bringing water to the base of the plant. I use worm castings mixed with soil to grow plants. Worm castings are rich in nutrients, have high antibacterial properties, and are harmless to humans. When the seeds germinate healthily, we can plant them. After planting, we put water in the plastic bottle. The water will slowly supply the plant, prevent erosion. the cucumbers are still green, we need to take care of them. First, we need to loosen the soil to help the metabolism, remove weeds from the plants. Eggs have many benefits in taking care of plants, so I will use chicken eggs to fertilize the plants and fill the soil so that the plants do not fall and tilt, and the roots grow. In addition to providing long-term nutrition for plants, rice husks also make the soil loose and prevent erosion very well. Therefore, I will spread rice husks evenly on the surface of the container. Now that the cucumbers are grown, we need to create a trellis to give the cucumbers room to climb. My choice is high-friction bamboo stakes for the trellis. We will guide the plant up the trellis as desired. At this stage, the tree has flowers and small fruits, so the tree is strong enough to grow. In addition to watering and fertilizing, I will have to stimulate the tree to flower. Ginger is very good at repelling insects, preventing pests, and stimulating plants to produce more fruit. So I will mix ginger with water and spray it evenly on the plants. After 40 days, the melons have covered the trellis and produced a lot of fruit. I will add more fertilizer to provide enough energy for the plants to produce large and abundant fruit. Awesome, after 2 months, cucumber has given me lots of big fruits. Now I can harvest and give as gifts to relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.